Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see very basic and simple conversation in German. So you will understand it easily. It consists of very basic and simple sentences. So we'll start with the video. Now suppose you are going to anyone's house there. So how will the conversation happen? That we'll see it here. So it will start with greeting each other, Guten Morgen or Guten Tag or Guten Abend, depending on the timing of the day. If you are going in the morning, it will be Guten Morgen. If suppose you are going in the daytime or afternoon, it will be Guten Tag. Or if you are going in the evening, it will be Guten Abend. Then the host will say, Bitte nehmen Sie Platz, meaning please take your seat. Then the next question from either of you will be, Wie geht's Ihnen? Meaning, how are you doing? This is the way of asking. The answer will be gut und Ihnen, good, and you. Then the answer will be again auch gut, meaning also good. Or if you want to say great or super, so it will be super or prima. That is also fine. Then the host will ask you, Möchten Sie etwas zum Trinken? Meaning, would you like something to drink? Then you will say, either you will say Nein, danke, meaning no, thank you, or you will say Ich möchte etwas Wasser zum Trinken, meaning I would like to have some water to drink. Then the next question will be either of you. It will be waren Sie gestern? Meaning where were you yesterday? Gestern is yesterday. Wo waren Sie gestern? Where were you yesterday? The answer will be Ich war zu Hause, meaning I was at home. Okay, Hause is house or home. I was at home. Ich war zu Hause. Now here, just understand that while making sentence or question in German language, it will start with either it will start with main verb or it will start with question word or interrogative word like wo, we, where. Okay, there is a separate shorts on my channel called question words. You can go through it so you will understand more properly. So you just remember this, that while making a question in German, either you have to start with the main verb or you have to start with question word or interrogative word. Okay, so this is clear. Now the next question will be, hatten Sie viel Arbeit gestern? Or it will be, hatten Sie gestern viel Arbeit? Meaning, did you have much work yesterday? Or did you have lot of work yesterday? Gestern is yesterday. Okay, and this hatten, this is a past tense of haben. Okay, so again there is a separate video on my channel called Conjugation of verb haben. So you can go through it. Then the other person will say, the answer will be, Ja, ich hatte viel Arbeit, meaning yes, I had lot of work or I had much work. Okay. Then the next question will be, Waren Sie vorgestern zum Konzert? Meaning, did you go to the concert day before yesterday? Okay. Now, vorgestern meaning day before yesterday. Gestern is yesterday. Vorgestern meaning day before yesterday. So you or that other person is asking, did you go to the concert yesterday? The answer will be, Ja, doch. Okay. Now this is a way of telling that if you are certainly if you want to tell, it will be Ja, doch. Okay. Yes, I went there. I did go, like this. Okay. Again, some simple sentences will happen. Then finally, if you are leaving that place, leaving their house, then you will say, Ich werde jetzt gehen. Okay, I will leave now. I will go now. So, jetzt meaning now. And gehen is a verb, to go. It is gehen. So, it is like, I'll go now or I will leave now. Ich werde jetzt gehen. Okay. Then the host will say, Auf Wiedersehen, meaning, okay, goodbye. You will also say, Auf Wiedersehen. And then the conversation will end there. Okay, so this was a very basic or simple dialogue conversation in German. Hope you like this video. And that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.